Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Java and Eclipse on Windows operating system. Let's get started. First open your favorite browser and then type Java download. Go to the third link, which is from Oracle, Java downloads. Then you will see that under Java downloads tab we have multiple Java development kits available. The latest one is 21 version, so we will install this. So scroll a little down and click on the Windows tab, and then under MCI installer click download. Then open your downloads folder and double click on installer, then click next. Here you can leave the default path or you can change it here. We will leave it, so we will click next and then we will wait for installation. When this is successfully installed, just click close. Now we are going to install Eclipse, so go to Eclipse download, then under Eclipse IDE click this link, and then click on this big orange button, and then you will see two options. Click on Eclipse packages, and then under Eclipse IDE for Java developers, click this link besides Windows caption, and then click on download. When Eclipse is downloaded, extract the file, and then move this file on some fixed location, for example under program files, like I will do now. I will copy this, continue, and when this is completed, click here on Eclipse and then run Eclipse. When you first launch Eclipse, you will see this workspace selection window. Workspace is basically just a collection of all of your projects inside Eclipse. You can use this default path, or you can browse for your specific path. You should also check this checkbox, which means that Eclipse will use this workspace as default and it will not ask you again for this selection. Then click Launch. Now you should tell Eclipse which Java it should use, so go to Window and then Preferences and then click Java and then Expand menu and then Compiler, and here you will see that compiler components level is set to 17 because this is default Java that Eclipse uses now, but we want to set it to 21 because we have downloaded 21 Java version. So click here and you will see warning and then click on configure. As you can see, we have default Java runtime already selected and this was installed by Eclipse by default. So we should add another one for 21 version. So click on add and then click on standard VM and click on next. And then under home, click on directory and then go to your Java home directory, which in my case is under C program files Java JDK, and select the 21 version and click on select folder. And then here just click finish and check this checkbox and click apply and close. And that's it. You have successfully installed Eclipse with custom Java runtime. You can now go ahead and create your first Java project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.